Good morning, everybody, Lily of the Valley family. Right now, we are down here near the property. The property is over there. You can see it, all those trees over there. But what I'm doing this morning is taking this bush hog out the box. So I'm taking each side off the box. So that's what I've been doing here for about the last I would say half hour. So we're gonna try to take this bush hog out the box and put it together. Now here's the parts right here, and no instructions, but we're gonna try to put it together anyway. Should take about maybe 2 hours, hopefully. So here it is, that's what we're doing today. We're putting this bush hog together, and once we get it together, we're gonna load it on the tractor. Now what I'm not going to do, most times you may have to cut this rod here inside this PTO, but we're not going to do that today. I think I'll do it the next day I come out. I'm just going to place it on the tractor, and the next day I come out, I'm planning on putting up a fence. So that's what we're doing today. Hopefully we'll be out of here in like 2 hours. We'll see. So I'll get back with you then. Next time you see me, most likely I have all the sides off the box and probably have the bush hog out the box and putting it back together. So I talk with you later. Okay, everyone, I got the bush hog out the box. See that? And what I'm gonna do now, we place the bush hog right here. It was so easy to take out the box due to I had the scroller, just rolled it right out the box. So now we have the instructions. I downloaded the instructions. So we're gonna try to put it together. Hopefully we'll have it together in about an hour. We'll see what happened. And I'll get back with you in about 1 hour. And hopefully we'll have this thing done. All right, we'll be right back. Well, hello everybody. We are back again. It's 3 p.m. I think I talked to you 3 hours ago. I didn't have all the right tools to do the job, but we got it done. Take a look at the bush hog. We got it done. I still got a few bolts underneath. I got the Titan. I didn't have the right tools for those, but I'll bring them next time I come out. But everything is good to go. All we got to do now is bring the tractor over and see if we can put it on the tractor. Well, anyway, I'm going over to get the tractor. I'll be back in a few minutes. Hold up, don't leave. Well, it's 4:20. We got it all done. I think it took us, I think I got it here at 11 o'clock. So 5.5 hours, so we got it done. Thank God, we give him all the glory, all the praises. I've never done it before. Haven't driven a tractor since '87 and never put a bush hog on a tractor before, but all praises to the Most High. We got it done today. So take a look at it. We still have some things to do. I didn't put the PTO on it because I may have to cut it maybe 1 inch, 2 inches. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna put that on there in a few days. So we got it on there. It goes up and come down. So all I can say is praise the Lord. You got it done. Thank God for Aunt Nita for allowing us to keep it over here at the house. And that's the property over there, so we're gonna go over there and we'll be cutting all that grass over there, trimming those trees up, doing some things over there, put a nursery over there, and also a lot of other things. So anyway, folks, thanks for going along with us today, and we'll see you again soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye now.